Thank you for listening to one of the Analytics for Living's advanced Python sessions. Analytics for Living offers Python training and one-on-one coaching, one-on-one use case development, and solutions to your analytics using Python. Please visit analyticsforliving.org to enroll in a course and also enroll in one-on-one use case support. In this session, we'll be using Numpy linspace to generate evenly spaced values. We also welcome you to enroll in a course and to review online some of our work where we reviewed Python basics, including data types, variables, assignment, conditional statements, including calculating frequencies, loops, functions, and also a variety of NumPy functions. Prior sessions, we reviewed NumPy array of zeros, creating an array of ones, creating an uninitialized array, and creating a range of values. In this example, we'll be using Numpy linspace. Linspace is a great tool to generate evenly spaced values. The function is written as numpy.linspace, the parentheses, which generates evenly spaced values. The real-life example would be, let's say, creating a temperature values for a weather forecast. First step is to type in import numpy as np. Temperature values equals np.linspace, 0, which is the start, 100 is the end, or the last number that you want calculated, and 11 is a number of numbers you would like them spaced evenly, as 11. 0 to 100 divided by 11. The output would be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so forth to 100. If you count that is 11. So let's jump in and type this. Again, first step is to type import numpy as np. Temperature values equals np linspace, 0 was the start, 100 is the end, and 11 because we want 11 values evenly spaced. Click on the arrow to run, or as I mentioned before, Control Enter. And there you go, the arrays. Please also continue listening to some of our other sessions where we're reshaping an array and transposing an array. Thank you for joining today.